What is up, guys? It's time for Dylan, back at it again with another crypto video. What is up, guys? It's time for Dylan, back at it again with another crypto video. Thank you guys for tuning in. You guys are awesome. If you're new here, subscribe, bell icon, get notified when I post new videos because it's all time sensitive. In today's video, we have to talk about what is going on with PEPE. This meme coin, absolutely melting faces. We haven't seen anything like this since dogecoin in 2020, back when the pandemic first started and we saw Bitcoin make its run all the way up to $60,000. And then, of course, we never thought that we would see it again. Shibainu came on the scene. Absolutely one of the fastest growing, most explosive meme coin on the planet. But of course, we now have a new king, a new coin that I think has what it takes to rival that of Shiba Inu and maybe even Dogecoin. And that, of course, is PEPE. So I have to tell you my thoughts on this project. And actually, in today's video, what I'm going to do is show you how to buy PEPE if you're one of the few people that don't know how to do it. So I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to get in on the action today. So make sure you guys stay tuned until the end of this video. Of course, I also quickly want to talk about what's going on with gold and silver. Up pretty big today. Of course, yesterday we had the announcement of another 0.25% rate hike issued by Jerome Powell, the Federal Reserve, coming out yet again, raising rates in the face of these bank collapses. Raising rates again. And that, of course, is what's causing more banks to collapse. So, of course, we have Pacific West Bank Corp, Pacific West Bank, down a staggering 50% today alone. One day after the announcement of the 0.25% rate hike, we see another bank looking like it wants to collapse. And then, of course, First Horizon Bank, down a staggering 33% in one day alone. What is going on? I thought Jerome Powell, I thought Elizabeth Warren, of course, Janet Yellen came out, President Joe Biden came out, all of them assuring us we have nothing to worry about. The bank collapses are over. One day later, we have two banks looking like they are heading on their way out of the world. So there's a lot to talk about in today's video. Make sure you guys stay tuned until the end so you don't miss out on any of this important information. First things first, we have to take a quick look at the crypto market. Now, it is down just about 1% on the day. However, things are still looking great. Bitcoin hovering right around $29,000. Of course, when Bitcoin moves, the market follows. As you guys can see, it's pretty much even on the day, down about 2% on the week. And that's pretty much how every single cryptocurrency is right now. Now, I will say this. Bitcoin dominance, as you guys can see, still making its way back up to the 50% range. I've been pointing this out now for a couple weeks. Bitcoin still in charge. Can't write it off. Although Ethereum, we know that it just had the insane Shanghai upgrade. We thought that that was going to help with mitigating the ridiculous gas fees on the network. But as you guys are going to see in a couple of seconds, when we go to buy PEPE, gas fees are absolutely ridiculous right now. And we are still at the bottom of the bear market or transitioning into the bull market. However you want to look at it, it's up to you. But right now, transactions on the network are significantly down considering where things were just a year and a half ago at the top of the bull market. So, considering things are down and the gas prices are still pretty high considering that we're down, I can't wait to see how high these gas prices are going to go when we hit bull market territory. But, of course, scrolling on down, Ethereum still looking pretty good, down about 1%, 1.5% on the week. XRP still right below 50 cents. And, Cardano really losing quite a lot this past week, down 5% on the week. I'm sure you guys have been seeing everyone talk about SNEK, $ SNEK, and then, of course, the absolute catastrophe, Blue PEPE, coming out on Cardano, melting people's faces, not in a good way, not in a good way at all. People losing a lot of ADA in the matter of 24 hours. This is why meme coins are scary. You have to mitigate your risk. Don't put everything into meme coins. As you guys are going to see, I'm just going to throw a little bit of money into this meme coin. Hopefully things continue to go up. But I did want to point out, taking a look at PEPE. Right now, it's still surging, dude. Insane. Now, taking a look at PEPE. Just a couple days ago, I made a video talking about PEPE. I put it on your guys' radar. Of course, most of you guys already knew about it. A lot of you guys didn't, which I thought was pretty interesting. But just a couple days ago, the fully diluted market cap, and we even took a look on CoinGecko, was around 500 million, right? $500 million. Now, if we come back to the main page of CoinMarketCap, Dogecoin, as you can see, its market cap is right around 10, almost $11 billion. And then Shiba Inu, right around 5.8, right around $6 billion. So, considering Pepe's market cap is at 800, let's just round up, say it's $1 billion. From where it's at right now, if it were to come up and rival that of Shiba Inu, we're still talking about a 6x from here. And of course, if it does get that extra leg up, I think it's doubtful. I would really have to be something miraculous for it to come and rival Dogecoin. But if it did, if it was able to get that type of market cap, talking about $11 trillion, we're talking about an 11x from here. So that's just to keep things realistic, right? I do see a lot of people on Twitter, a lot of people on YouTube say, how much money are you going to have if Pepe goes to $1? Let's just be realistic. That's not going to happen, people. For it to get to $1, it would have to go 10,000x, something ridiculous. It's not going to happen. Its market cap would have to be somewhere like $1 trillion. It's just not going to happen, people. Let's just keep it real. But that doesn't mean that there isn't still potential upside. Yes, there is potential upside. Maybe a 5 to 10x from here. That is your best case scenario. So you got to keep that in the back of your mind. And what I would say is this: if you have been seriously thinking about putting some money into Pepe, wait for a pullback. I'm simply going to throw like $100 into Pepe right now, just to show you guys how to buy it, because I know a lot of people are interested. How do you buy Pepe? I'm going to show you how to do it right now. But I just wanted you guys to keep this in the back of your mind. This is a gamble. It is risky. We're talking about meme coins. This is like the equivalent of going to the casino and putting your money on red. It's the equivalent of buying scratchers at your gas station. Just consider what you're going to throw in as a loss. If it goes up, fantastic. Take profits. If it goes down, don't cry about it, because you know you're getting into some risky territory here. So I just want to preface this video by saying that meme coins are extraordinarily risky. Unless you know how to look at code, analyze the code, see if there's any back ends. You don't know what you're getting into. That's just the bottom line. And of course, we saw with wallstreet bets coin, literally yesterday, the founder of that project had 10% of all the circulating tokens and decided to rug pull on everyone, which literally had all the people, all the degens that got into the project holding the bag, and of course, worthless at that point. So I just wanted to preface everything with that. Proceed with caution. Don't over leverage yourself, but have fun doing it. Let's get it, people. So quickly, before I talk about that, I did talk about these banks coming down because of the rate hikes. But of course, what are we seeing? We're seeing gold and silver up pretty nicely over the past 2 days. Now, gold, its all-time high is somewhere around $2,075. I would not be surprised if gold makes a new all-time high pretty soon. And that's because historically gold has been the hedge against inflation, the hedge against these banks. So even though a lot of people in crypto don't like gold, don't like silver, because they don't move as fast as crypto, I'm the same way. I still hold gold and silver, full disclosure. So I hold it. The reason why I hold gold and silver is that gold and silver is my hedge against crypto. Because personally, I think if the crypto markets were to completely fail, which I don't think is going to happen, you never know. If it were to completely fail, I particularly think that the majority of the liquidity in those markets would not flow into the stock market. I don't think that it would flow into bonds. I don't think that it would flow into cash. I personally think that the majority of the liquidity in the crypto market, if it were to collapse, would flow into gold and silver. That's just my personal opinion. It's my hedge. But of course, nothing on my channel is financial advice. I'm just some dude on the internet. So keep that in the back of your mind. But of course, getting into the topic of today's video, how do you buy PEEP, right? How do you buy Pepe? However, I call it Pepe. Some people call it PEEP. It's up to you. Look at this. It's up 90%. What is going on? It looks like it's going to make a push up to the $1 billion mark literally any second now. So let's quickly get into this. The first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to download MetaMask, right? So MetaMask, I already have it downloaded, but if you want to download it, you can go to Google, MetaMask, type it in. Make sure it is this one right here, https://metamask.io. Be careful because there are probably some scams. It looks like they're not really listing here. You just want to make sure that you are downloading the correct software. So you just click here, right? MetaMask, boom, download. It's going to take you here, Chrome, install MetaMask for Chrome. It's going to take you to the Google page right here. And as you can see, I already have it downloaded. But if you don't have it downloaded, this right here will say download. So boom, you download, come up here, bingo bango, you're going to have your MetaMask. As you can see, I have about 125 bucks in here. Made a pretty big withdrawal there. Don't take a look at that. But what the first thing it's going to have you do is create a wallet. Now, I think the options are going to be backup, restore, or create a new wallet. So just create a new wallet. It's going to have you go through the whole process, write down your seed phrase, all that fun stuff. And then what you're going to need to do is you can either buy, I think you can buy Ethereum directly from here with a credit card. But if you already have Ethereum on an exchange, just go ahead and get it from the exchange. Send it on into MetaMask. And the way you do that is, you can open up Coinbase, whatever, Binance, whatever your exchange is, and then you just click here. That will copy your ETH address and then paste it into the exchange. Bingo bango, send your ETH over. Takes, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes, depending on the network congestion. So once you have your wallet loaded with Ethereum, you're ready to go. What you need to do now is go to Google, right, and go to Uniswap. Boom. And it's going to be this one right here, https://uniswap.org. Click the swap button, and that's going to take you right over here to this page that I already have. Boom. So from here, you launch the app. Bingo bango. It's going to open up. And then what we want to do, because you can click here and you can type in PEPE, but we're not going to do that. The best way to do this to avoid getting the wrong contract address is you come back over to CoinMarketCap, make sure we're looking at the right coin, PEPE. Come down here, Ethereum, and you're just going to copy that address. You're going to come back over here to Uniswap, to the application. You're just going to type it in. Boom. And there you go. It's the one, the only PEPE. So as you guys can see, right now I have 0.6659 ETH. I could click max. It's going to say 106. It's going to calculate. Boom. So right now, gas fees right now are $22.70. So I'm just going to go ahead and go through with it. However, I believe that you can alter this. I think once we go ahead and click go, you could alter this, speed it up, add a little bit more Ethereum to make sure that your transaction goes through. But actually, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go 0.5 because I want to leave just a little bit of ETH in there just in case I got to withdraw, Boom. And actually, let's just do 0.45. Let's just do 0.4 just because I don't know what gas prices are going to look like later. Every time you do a transaction, you have to have a little bit of ETH in here just to process the transaction. And, oh yeah, I think I forgot to say, connect your MetaMask wallet up here. You just click the button, boom, sync your MetaMask, bingo, bango. So then, yeah, click swap, confirm swap, waiting for confirmation. Oh yeah, so see, here we go. Oh my gosh, look at that gas, $45, dude. Okay, let's do it again. Let's just do 50 bucks, dude. Whatever. This is why I hate Ethereum. I hate Ethereum. We're gonna get $50 worth of this token, and we're gonna pay $50 for a gas fee. How stupid is this? But whatever. I'm gonna do it for you guys just so you guys can see. Let's confirm the swap. Boom, takes you over here. Looks good. $50 gas fee. How fucking stupid am I? Whatever. I'll do it for you guys. Transaction submitted. Boom. So then you can click view on Etherscan, and that's going to show you the transaction, show you what's going on, show you how many confirmations it has, etc. So boom, so far it looks like it's succeeded. We have one block confirmation. Now if we go back into MetaMask, we should see the token there. Boom, assets. Oh, I got to import the token. Still have it there. Boom. Oh, you know what we could do? We could go here and just click add to MetaMask. Add token. Now let's go back to MetaMask. Boom. And there you go. We got our $56 worth of PEPE. It only cost me $50. So I wasted $50 to get $50 worth of PEPE. But that's okay. That's part of the game. That's why I don't mess with Ethereum. Hopefully it does another 10x. and yeah, we'll have 500 bucks, and then we'll lose another 75 bucks at that point, maybe even 100 bucks to sell it. Because at that point, the network's going to be even more congested. But there you go, guys. I just wanted to quickly show you guys how to buy PEPE, how to buy PEPE, how to buy Pupu, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Meme coins for the win. If you guys like the video, follow along. I'm going to be posting lesson number 2, intermediate Python, learning how to code using ChatGPT. If you guys are interested, follow along. You guys have a beautiful day, a beautiful night, wherever you guys are. Dylan is out.